Happy holiday seasons, everyone! Wishing you a joyful holiday season filled with warmth, laughter, and cherished moments with your loved ones from G-Tecnica as we present here our complete product line of rebuilt trucks. Let's start from this bus, which is being used as modern jeepney or public utility vehicle, shuttle service from company or school, and recreational vehicle. Next is this FB truck customized. FB means a family business. This is a new generation of FB type truck which is wider, longer, and taller. Now we have here the first version of our food truck which can be converted to mobile palengke, mobile clinic, mobile offices, and mobile training center for school and universities. Then we have here is the rebuilt mini dump, helping our country to recover from the pandemic with regards to infrastructure or logistics. This truck is perfect for LGU, garbage collection, construction company, and for all the barangays. It can be narrow or wider for heavier capacity utilization. Lastly is this cargo high side, which is perfect for countryside hauling agricultural products. It has 6 tons differential for heavier loading capacity. So for more inquiries, you can message them on their Facebook page at G-Tecnica Custom Rebuild Center and on their Instagram at Gtec Rebuilder. You can also visit our branches in nearest you. We have in Quezon City, Araneta Avenue, Imus Cavite, Marilao, Bulacan, May Kawayan, Bulacan, Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija, San Pablo, Laguna, Bawang, La Union, Legazpi, Bicol, and our headquarters in Mapulang, Lupa, Valenzuela. And again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone!